It's raining in LA. It's very exciting. We needed this. It's taking out any remaining fires and cleaning up our air quality. So I'm so excited. Making a quick smoothie for the kids. So showing you how that works. I always start with milk. Give in a little bit more calories because my kids, when they have a smoothie, tends to be most of their breakfast. So I do 2%, typically organic milk if I can, and then we add bananas. These are the most perfect bananas for a smoothie. They're all spotty, they're ripe, they're ready to go. Bananas have potassium, so they have sports today, really gonna help them with their muscles. It also has dopamine, so it's gonna make them feel nice and good. I'm gonna make a big batch smoothie, so we're gonna use up all our bananas today. And I have to show you the eggs we got from our chickens. I'm not cooking them right now, but they're just so pretty. I have to show them off. Check these babies out. Blues and whites. I love them. Within my kids' nutrition program, Raising Balanced Eaters, you'll see lots of ways where you can sneak veggies in for your kids, and smoothies are definitely one of them, especially when you are covering up the color with something as strong as blueberries. Once blueberries are in, it's going to mask any green that goes in there. I love to get frozen organic blueberries. My kids are obsessed. And did you know that having blueberries in the morning makes an immediate effect on a person's cognition? You know, food really is medicine. And some people say, oh, but it doesn't have an immediate effect like medicine. That's actually not true. There are some proven studies, like the ones with blueberries, where you actually see a pretty immediate effect. And I absolutely see it when it comes to immunity. When I really pump my kids up and myself up with vitamins while we're sick, I just feel like the recovery is just so much faster. And I'm so grateful for that. So we're going to do a little bit of omega-3s in here as well. We also add in vitamin D3 drops because we need it. My kids are actually really good with the vitamin D3 drops. They put them right under their tongue because it's best for absorption. And then my daughter loves a very icy shake, so she always likes extra ice. I always think that the frozen fruits and veggies are enough, but not for her. And we have vanilla protein in here with superfoods. I also like to do collagen. Where's my lid? And we're good to go. This is going to get us started. And then I also have some protein pancakes, so we get all the energy we need for our sports. We also add in vitamin D3 drops because we need it. My kids are actually really good with the vitamin D3 drops. They put them right under their tongue because it's best for absorption. And then my daughter loves a very icy shake, so she always likes extra ice. I always think that the frozen fruits and veggies are enough, but not for her. And we have vanilla protein in here with superfoods. I also like to do collagen. Where's my lid? And we're good to go. This is going to get us started. And then I also have some protein pancakes, so we get all the energy we need for our sports. The benefits of nutrition for your kids' mood, energy, growth, development, cognition, IQ, school performance, confidence is too important to wait. So definitely sign up for my kids' nutrition program. It's so amazing. Enrollment is off to such a great start. All the families that have started this past week are loving it. We're getting such incredible feedback, and we'd love for you to join us. Our family is growing incredibly well, and it just helps the whole community when we have a more diverse population of parents with kids of different needs, different ages. And so we'd love for you to join. You'll get the recipe for this and so much more, every tool you need to parent your kids in a way that's nourishing and delicious and fosters a very healthy relationship with food for them so they don't have to struggle later in life. Join us. It's an incredible opportunity to help your kids thrive. Some want with the straw, some want with a spoon. How is it?
Good. Amazing.
Okay, fantastic. Says Olivia, who is very discerning.